Hey guys, it's me, Lowly Lucas. So, today is the fire alarms video. So, warning before this video starts, this video does contain very, very loud noises. So, if you don't want to hurt your ears, then turn down the volume right now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to push the button right now. That was very loud. So guys, I know this video was very boring, but I just wanted to do a test of it. Man, I'm so tired. It's literally nighttime at the time of recording this, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know why I did this. This was a very stupid video. It's just literally an alarm that's very, very loud. But anyways, thanks for watching. Goodbye.